Let's put your grammar to the test. Each of the students must submit blank project on time. A, their, B, his or her, C, his, D, they. The answer is B, his or her. The dogs barked until blank owner came home. A, their, B, its, C, his or her, D, their. The answer is A, their. Nobody wants to lose blank job. A, their, B, her, C, his or her, D, their. The answer is C, his or her. Identify the correct sentence. A, tired from work, the couch felt comfortable. B, tired from work, she found the couch comfortable. C, she, tired from work, the couch felt comfortable. D, the couch, tired from work, she felt comfortable. The answer is B, tired from work, she found the couch comfortable. Which uses the correct modifier? A, he drives careful. B, he drives care. C, he drives carefully. D, he drives carefully. The answer is C, he drives carefully. Choose the sentence with correct word order. A, she gave to her friends food. B, food to her friends gave she. C, she gave food to her friends. D, gave she food her friends. The answer is C, she gave food to her friends. Each of the students blank required to submit a clearance form. A are, B is, C were, D have. The answer is B is. The team blank winning despite the odds. A are, B have, C is, D were. The answer is C is. Neither the manager nor the employees blank willing to compromise. A is, B are, C has, D was. The answer is B are. The bouquet of roses blank beautiful. A are, B is, C were, D have. The answer is B is. Everyone in the class blank present today. A are, B is, C have been, D were. The answer is B is. How many answers did you get right? Follow for more tips and practice.